Alright fam, so y'all see we back with the setup again. I think this is the way that I'm gonna do the Droplist videos. It just makes it a little bit easier for me, hopefully a little more digestible for y'all. Just trying to keep it more simple, fast paced. I'm gonna go over some of my favorite SS22 items releasing week 1. Then I'm gonna talk about the other ones in a more fast paced type of vibe. You guys will see what I'm talking about, but if y'all do end up enjoying this one, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more streetwear sneaker content. I got a lot of shit coming for y'all, trust me bro, I'm amped. And hey, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So it's dropping on the 17th and it's a lot of shit dropping week 1, so honestly I don't know if I want to cover every single item. You can go on Supreme Community and scroll through this list yourself, obviously, if you haven't already, but I'm gonna go over some of my favorites, then I'll come back here and talk about the other pieces. Let's start with the tees. So we got like 9 tees if I'm not mistaken. The first one here is the Al Green. If I'm being completely honest, I'm not too in tune with bro's music, so I'm not too pressed to get this. If I do get it, it's honestly as an investment piece. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, but hey, not that bad. Right here is probably one of my favorite tees. The Knowledge is Supreme. I don't know what this stands for, but it just looks fire. Little baby on there with the buildings behind them. You got the little peace logo. It looks almost like a comic strip type vibe. That's definitely why I like it. You got the classic logo. I'm good on that. The little S print tee. This might be one of those pieces that goes up simply because there's the S logo and then you got the box logo at the bottom of this one as well, so you never know, it might do good, might do bad, who knows. I feel like this might be one of those that creeps up as time goes on. We got the Love That Supreme. Honestly, not my favorite, just my opinion. Maybe some of you guys do like this one, but it's just not for me. I honestly like this all over tee simply because I feel like in the right colorway with the right mix of colors, it might look nice. I do like the font that it has in front of the Supreme logo. This gas tee is crazy. This shit is definitely gas. I'm gonna need this shit in this brown color for sure. Must cop. I don't even care what other colors it comes in. If it's not cream or brown, honestly, I'm sticking to that brown color. This shit is beautiful. Must cop. I feel like resale on this is probably gonna be like $70-$80, something like that. If not now, then later. This shit is ass. This shit is kind of ass too, in my opinion. It just looks like some other shit. It's just not for me. So once again, I'm gonna skip on that one. And that was the last tee. We got the cassette player, which is probably one of my favorite accessories releasing this season. I love the fact that it just takes it back to back in the day. Retail is gonna be 128, which is pretty steep for an item like this. I'm not gonna hold y'all, I'm not really trying to pay that 128 for this, so I don't know if I'm gonna end up going for it, but I do love the fact that they released one. If they do end up doing a CD player, you got me hooked, bro. Like, I'm definitely gonna go for that. Cassette player is a banger. If it's an item that you're trying to pick up, it is gonna be releasing week 1, and I think this is one of those that will have resale because a lot of people still have cassettes. I feel like people collect shit like that, so something like this will end up doing good. If not now, then later, trust me, because the collectors will definitely look at this shit and be like, yo, why not? Definitely a clean piece. If I had the bread to just throw away, I probably would go for this. We got the modern keychain knife releasing week 1. Hopefully I am able to get my hands on this. I love the fact that it's a keychain, it's maneuverable, has that Supreme on it, and this is hard, bro. If I get it, it probably will be in the olive or the black color. I think the red is cool, but it's just a little bit too loud for my liking, especially if I'm gonna have it on my keys. Retail for this knife is $28, which honestly ain't even that bad. I feel like I'm gonna end up buying this for sure. Retail for the skillet is $58, and that's not bad, bro. Supreme pancakes for life for $58. You can't go wrong with that. But yeah, this is hard. Let me know if y'all gonna end up going for this. Honestly, I'm considering it simply because it is one of those pieces that you will probably use. Cast iron doesn't go bad, so it makes sense. I might do it. I don't know yet though. Next, we got a banger. It's the box logo, bro. The Bling Box Logos are coming out this week. I'm like, what the fuck? These just normally drop at the end of the season, so I wasn't expecting it, but hey, box logos this week. Honestly, priority. After that, I'll try to go for whatever else, but it's a box logo, bro. How else can I say it? I am gonna try to go for the brown color or maybe the black. I haven't decided yet, but it's probably gonna be on everybody's radar this week. I'm interested to see if they're still gonna do a holiday box logo. Knowing them, they're probably gonna do the tees, but I'm excited that these are coming out week 1, bro. Amped for sure. I need this in that brown or the black color. I only need those two. I'm not even gonna play myself. Maybe the gray. Obviously, they're gonna do the bling skate deck, so I thought I'd bring it up as well. This is gonna come in 2 colors, that gold finish and the silver finish. The silver one has multi multicolor and the gold just has the white diamonds on it. I think this is hard, especially in that silver color if you're just trying to put it up in your room or display it or even skate it. Hey, what it's meant to be done. Definitely a solid skate deck, but we do got the two-tone fitteds releasing this week. Y'all know me with the fitteds. I still am tight that they didn't put black and gray instead of black and white on that fitted, but it is what it is. I'ma stick with the navy and baby blue, the Carolina vibes on that one. I feel like with the UNC Jordan 1s that I got, that would be a solid pickup, so I might try to go ahead and get that. That's why I'm not trying to buy too much shit, because I'm trying to get the right shit, if that makes sense. Like if I get the bogo, this fitted, and a light little accessory, maybe a tier 2, we vibing. I'm not trying to OD this week, like nah. But yeah, the fitteds go hard, must cop. Next we got the side bags, which I did pull up some other bags as well. I think this is alright. It's nothing too special. Would I pick this up? Honestly, I don't even think so, bro. I have hell of them that I'm trying to get rid of at this point, and this one isn't anything more special than those, so I'd probably skip on this for the personal collection. Definitely a clean pickup if you get this in black. Beside that, we good. We got the book bags, which actually remind me of like a North Face inspired book bag. I don't know if it's the Jasper or one of those that has that same wiring on the back. It says Rain 23. Honestly, the book bags are hard. I would get this in that black color. Clean. That baby blue is fire. I feel like that shit might be TNF inspired. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but it does look clean. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, let's see if we could get this video to 150 likes. Leave a like on this video right now. Subscribe to the channel, bro. Roll to 20K. Hey, we got the sling bag. Same shit as the other bags. Honestly, if I were to get one, it would be the black or that gray with the blue. We got the loose gauge beanie. Y'all already know I'm a fool for the loose gauge beanies. I got this one in a tan color. I got it in this blue color, and I got it in a black. Honestly, I might have to get this shit in a brown. Like, it's looking right at me. Like, that brown color is looking right at me, bro. Like, I need that shit. Might have to go for it, but normally on week ones, I forget to get the loose gauge beanie. Hopefully I remember, low key. So that was the last piece that I had pulled to the side. Now we're gonna scroll through shit. If I catch something and I really like it, I'll talk about it in detail. If not, then y'all already know that I thought it was ass, or I might let y'all know how ass it is, low key. First, we got the Hanes Bontes at the top. First of all, I don't know why this shit is at the top of the list, but I feel the vibes. I might have to try to go for this shit myself. If it's still available by the time I get a cart ready, we gonna have to pick these shits up. We got the cast iron at the top. We already saw that shit. We got the whole set with the Hanes shit coming out. You got the fat tip Jaguar jacket, Al Green skate deck. We already spoke about the two-tone joint, some wheels, you feel me, if that's your vibe. The backpack gonna be 158. This small box long sleeve doesn't look that bad, especially in that brown. I think I'm going brown crazy. I don't even know what I'm talking about no more. This Kevlar joint gonna protect your top at all costs. We got the Neoprene, basically water bottle with all the little designs that's on that fitted that I really am excited about. This is clean though. Out of all the water bottles they've been doing lately, this is something different. I commend it. The small box hoodies are coming out. Yo, don't sleep. This brown color is hard body. It's almost like the Essentials but Supreme. If it has a black logo on it, that would be hard. The fat tip jacket, you feel me, if that's something you try and do. There's so much shit dropping. Like, this shit is insane. The box logos ain't even at the top of the list. You got the side bag coming out with the little, I think it actually comes with the water bottle, so that's cool. You get a 2-in-1 type shit. Not bad. I actually think this is not that bad. This might be the best shit out of all the bags coming out. We spoke about the box logo. They got the skate deck for this shit dropping too. Fat tip pants. You got the applique arc logo and the corduroy shirt, you feel me, with the corduroy hat. Hey you, I can't pull that shit off. We good on that. You got this overlap Supreme shit. If this shit was Balenci, it'll be 3 racks. I ain't even gonna lie. You got that shit all over it. This Supreme logo, I'm trying to tell you, if this shit was another brand, $7,000, but still steep. We good on all that shit besides this right here. The Deer T is dookie too. Honestly, I got mixed emotions about this hoodie right here. I feel like the cream with the blue and the brown isn't bad. I need to see the front of this. Yeah, bro, the cream with the blue with the brown ain't that bad. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Then that multicolor, maybe they might be onto something, but honestly, I wouldn't even spend my money on that shit. Yo, this is probably one of my favorite things releasing. 268. They could smoke a dick, bro. Nah, we good on that. Hey, it looks clean, bro. Definitely a solid denim jacket. I will say it again here for y'all. This is a beautiful jacket. Honestly, if there was one piece that I can get out of everything releasing, it would be this jacket right here in brown. Like, I just don't know if I want to pay that price. I know I would probably keep this jacket forever. I'm trying to justify it in my head right now, but $278 for a denim jacket sound crazy. That shit sound crazy. I'm trying to justify it though. I feel like I could pull it off. We gonna see. We just gonna have to see. There's so much shit releasing that I don't know if I would buy this week, and I hate when Supreme does that shit. They cram a lot of the items you want to buy all in one week, and it just fucks your whole head up. So I don't know. Clean jacket, must cop. Keep your eyes peeled if you do want this jacket. You got the denim version of the jacket, some more tees, skate decks, cargo pants right here. This script striped sweater is ass in my opinion. The flannel shirt is just dookie. Like, why even put that on the look? Like, why? You're wasting fabric, my boy. Like, what you doing? But yeah, the striped rugby, we good on that. We vibing. Fat tip, we good on the fat tip too. This harness waist bag, I feel like the right person could pull this shit off. The pack light pants coming out this week. Damn, the rhinestone hoodie coming out this week. I honestly was debating on this, but hey, it made it easier for me. I'm not gonna have to pick this shit up at all. You got the illest mesh back 5 panel. We good on that one. The stonewashed black slim pants, work pants, oval patch, a lot of shit that looks hella ass. This one looks like one of them runway jackets, puffy ass jackets. I know you've seen them on Instagram, but this is the skinny tee version of it right here, the slim body one. You got the fat tip beanie, oval patch beanie, both kind of ass. That oval patch one has a couple colors that I do kind of like. Salmon color isn't bad. These pants dookie, they wildin' on this one. Like, this is like some biker Ed Hardy type shit right here. We good on that waffle tip. I don't know what's going on with these, but they trying to do something. I don't know what they trying to do, but they definitely trying to do something with this shit right here. We got the gradient stripe zip up. Nope. This tribal inspired, if I'm not mistaken, Baja hooded sweatshirt. It's like some boardwalk 5000 right there. You could definitely find something similar probably on a boardwalk. You got leather pants, croc leather pants. Hey yo, with the croc leather coat, bruh. Hey yo, they wildin'. If you pull up with the whole emerald green croc leather suit, you deserve a free pancake at IHOP, bruh. Like, this is OD. You got the striped vest ass, script pants ass. Bro, who is pulling up with this shit? Please let me know. None of this shit at the bottom is even supposed to be on the lookbook. Like, what are you doing? This right here though, who the fuck is buying this? This is the end of the video, bro. But that pretty much does it for this video, man. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more streetwear sneaker content. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see on the channel, whether it's shorts, anything else. Just recommend me anything to do down below. But don't forget to comment what your favorite item releasing this week is. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.